Here is the burb. His name is Perri Joe, and he just woke up. Say hi, Perri Joe. Can you sing? Can you do a kiss? He's a little camera shy. Sometimes he makes really cute kissy noises, and he can also whistle Pirates of the Caribbean. I'm about to go take my Spanish final, and I'm making a really good coffee with an espresso, which I only use special occasions because the pods are really expensive. But I deserve this after all of my studying. Perri Joe is 3 years old. He's my best friend, and he loves to be pet and kissed. He's a great bird. So I had this plan to study for finals. I thought my Spanish final was Friday, the 20th, but the 20th is today. So yesterday I realized I had double the studying to do because I had 2 finals happening the same day. And it was like the most stressful night ever. But I'm almost done with this quarter. I'm super excited. And Perri Joe studied with me all day. So, bye guys. Let me know if you want more Perri Joe.